Hey guys, welcome back to the rundown from My Patriot Supply, where we go over products and teach you everything you need to know to make sure that you know how to use them for when that time comes. All right, guys, this is it. You're looking at the Black Friday Survival Special from My Patriot Supply. 4 weeks of emergency food plus over $150 in free survival tools and gear. Now, whether you're just getting started with preparedness, you're adding to your stockpile, or you're shopping for someone else to help them get started, this kit checks all the boxes. So let's take a look at what you get. You get a 4-week emergency food supply. This is the foundation of the whole kit. It feeds one person 2,000 calories a day for 4 full weeks. Breakfasts, lunches, dinners, snacks, it's all in there. No rice and beans starvation diet. We're talking chili mac, potato soup, chocolate pudding, food you'll actually enjoy eating. Everything's packed in resealable, heavy-duty 4-layer Mylar pouches, all inside these 2 stackable buckets that you can store anywhere. And the shelf life is up to 25 years. Just add water, heat it up, and you've got a real meal, even if the grid's down and the shelves are empty. Now here's the best part. When you grab this 4-week food kit today, as part of the Black Friday special, everything else you see here, all this gear, is yours free. Starting off, we have this pocket-sized lifesaver, the Survival Straw Personal Water Filter. To prepare your emergency meals, you're gonna need clean water, not to mention water to drink. And in a crisis, you might not have easy access to it. This little thing filters up to 300 gallons from any fresh water source. It removes 99.99% of dangerous bacteria so you can drink and cook your meals with confidence. And it also filters out nasty chemicals like heavy metals, lead, pesticides, and pharmaceuticals. So the water that comes out of it is not only safer, it tastes like a fresh mountain stream. So no matter what happens to the tap water, as long as you can find a creek, lake, pond, or river, you can get clean drinking water. Okay, so you got food and water. Now how are you going to cook it? Here's how. Folding camp stove and canned heat. The stove's lightweight, super portable, and tough as nails. You can burn twigs, charcoal, pine cones, whatever you've got. But we're including what we think is the best fuel for this stove. It's called canned heat. It's a clean burning, self-contained fuel source. All you do is open the waterproof lid, pull out the wick, and give it a little fluff and light it up. By the way, your kit also comes with these waterproof matches. Now you can just place the stove over the canned heat and you are cooking. Each can burns up to 6 hours and you get 3, so you can cook dozens of meals with this alone. Plus, canned heat is indoor safe, so no matter what's going on out in the world, you can stay safe and snug inside while you cook dinner for your family. Alright, now you've cooked the food, how are you going to eat it? We've got you covered with this stainless steel mess kit. You get the 34-ounce pot, the perfect size for cooking and eating your emergency meals, and the saute pan for everything else. And the cool thing is, these are stainless steel, but the handles are coated in heat-resistant silicone, so you don't get burned even when you're cooking over an open flame. You also get a measuring cup and a scrubber for cleanup and a mesh bag to carry it all. And check this thing out. This is our 4-in-1 cutlery tool. It's a knife, fork, spoon, and bottle opener all in one. And the fork and spoon are detachable, so you don't have to switch back and forth. And for your beverages, you get a stainless steel drinking cup, all built to last, easy to clean, and super durable. Now, I don't know about you, but even if society is collapsing, I still want my morning coffee. That's why the Black Friday Survival Special comes with 60 servings of long-term storable instant coffee. Now, you probably wouldn't think survival coffee would taste all that great, but I'm telling you, it's 100% Colombian coffee, fresh brewed and freeze-dried for up to 25 years of shelf life. Now, this is what brings it all together. A rugged tactical backpack with tons of compartments, mole webbing, and padded straps. This is your grab-and-go bag. Pack it with the food, water, stove, matches, and you've got a full bug-out bag ready to roll. And guys, remember, you're getting everything you see here for just the price of the 4-week food kit. Over $150 in free gear in total. You can store it, you can gift it, you can throw it in your trunk and forget about it until the day it saves your life. But whatever you do, act fast. This offer is not going to last long. Click add to cart and grab your Black Friday Survival Special now.